Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your laptop doesn't want to turn on. So most commonly it happens because your laptop is simply discharged. In such case, grab a USB Type-C charging cable and plug it into the power source, into the USB Type-C port on the left edge of your laptop. Then let your device charge for a little bit and then try turning it on again. Of course, on the other side, plug your USB Type-C cable into the AC adapter and the AC adapter into the power source. And in case this doesn't help you and your laptop still doesn't want to turn on, if your laptop was exposed to either extremely hot or cold temperature, it may not be able to turn on for at least 2 hours after that. So if this happened, then leave your laptop to rest for maybe about a couple of hours, and if those were very extreme conditions, then leave it to rest for up to 12 hours. Then insert the charging cable in and try to turn on your PC once it charges a little. Now, if your laptop hasn't been exposed to such conditions, then make sure that your charging cable is providing enough power for your laptop. I suggest that you should check your AC adapter. This is the original one, and I recommend you using the original cable and AC adapter. Here is the closer look if you'd like. So basically, if you are not using an original AC adapter, then the substitute should provide your device with at least 65 watts of power for your device to be powered properly. If your AC adapter doesn't provide your device with at least 65 watts of power, then your laptop simply won't charge and therefore won't turn on. And also remember to use reliable AC adapters from reputable sources, because if you're using a cheap adapter, it may as well break your laptop's battery, which is generally not good for your PC. So please keep that in mind. And in case you tried everything I mentioned in this video and it still didn't help you power your PC on, then in this situation I suggest that you should contact HONOR customer support service and tell them about your issue and see if they can help you. Alternatively, you can just reach out to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.